Fixing a Sharp TV. Power and OPC lights flashing.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot your Sharp TV when the power and OPC lights are flashing. This is a common issue and usually indicates a problem with the TV's power supply or settings. Don't worry, we'll walk through some simple solutions you can try at home.
Understanding the issue.
First off, let's understand what's happening. The power and OPC lights on your Sharp TV are indicators of its status. If they're flashing together, it might suggest a problem with the TV's power supply or its settings. However, it could also be a sign of an internal issue that requires professional assistance. Always remember, safety first. If you're uncomfortable performing any of these steps, seek professional help.
Power cycle your TV.
The first and simplest solution is to power cycle your TV. Here's how. 1. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. 2. Wait for at least 60 seconds. This allows any residual electricity to dissipate. 3. Plug the TV back into the power outlet. 4. Turn on your TV and check if the problem persists.
Reset your TV to factory settings.
If power cycling didn't work, the next step is to reset your TV to factory settings. This will wipe any potentially problematic settings. Please be aware that this will erase any personal settings on your TV. 1. Press the Menu button on your remote. 2. Navigate to Setup. 3. Scroll down to Reset. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your TV.
Check your TV's power supply and source.
If the previous steps didn't help, you might want to check your TV's power supply and source. 1. Ensure your TV is connected to a functioning power outlet. You can verify this by plugging another device into the same outlet. 2. Check the power cord for any visible damage. 3. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, try plugging your TV directly into the wall outlet instead.
Seek professional help.
If none of the previous steps helped, it's time to seek professional help. Your TV may have an internal issue that requires professional repair. Contact Sharp customer service or a trusted local repair service. And that's how you can troubleshoot your Sharp TV when the power and OPC lights are flashing. Remember, if at any point you feel uncomfortable performing these steps, there's no shame in seeking professional help. Your safety is paramount. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Good luck with your TV troubleshooting.